It's thunderstorm season, and for many of us that means unexpected storms and an increased risk of severe weather events. But staying safe during a thunderstorm isn't as difficult as it might seem. With a few simple precautions, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from danger. One of the most important things you can do to stay safe during a thunderstorm is to have an emergency kit on hand. This should include items like a flashlight, spare batteries, a portable radio, and a first aid kit. It's also important to educate yourself on the signs and dangers of thunderstorms. Check your phone or local news sources for updates on any incoming storms, and be aware of the potential hazards they bring. Finally, take preventative steps to protect your home and family. Unplug electrical devices, secure outdoor furniture or structures that could be damaged by high winds, and avoid taking a shower or bath during a thunderstorm. By following these simple guidelines, you can stay safe during thunderstorm season and minimize the risks to yourself and your loved ones.